Anyways, folks, welcome to Anderson's Review. And I just bought this ALION balcony privacy screen. Stands 3 feet height. It has UV protection, weather resistant mesh, and it comes with zip ties.
All right.
And I got a 3 by 12 foot brown mesh, and it's I paid like $22 for it and some change. All right. So let's see how this setup went. I think this one here is 12 feet, so let's see if it's long enough. Okay, and what I'm doing here is I'm opening the package. Obviously, I'm spreading it out, and I'm happy with the material. Nothing heavy. You know, it's really light. It's like mesh. You can almost like see through it, but it's just the right tone. It fits in with the color of my rails. See how easy it is? Sturdy, strong. You know, and I use that board just to kind of keep the wind from blowing the bottom. You can tie the bottom also. They have holes, intermittent holes in them, but for now, I'm cool with just the top. See how easy it is? You just get some nails, you hammer it in, you know, where you have to, and you hang it up. It's that simple, man. You know, don't complicate stuff. And I must say I'm pretty happy with it. You know, it's lightweight. It's something I can take down in less than 30 seconds. Because they really don't want you to have stuff up on your patio. But I tell these people, this place ain't gated, man. You don't know who's walking in and out of them damn streets. You up on your patio. You got a crackhead looking up at you, god dang it. You got some dude who's on a fentanyl high. Stoned out of his mind. You know what I'm saying? Looking at your feet and your legs. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, you know, I think privacy curtains for your balcony make a lot of sense. And I'm happy with this product that I purchased from Amazon. And here's a quick front view. You can see how it's perfect. It's almost perfect in that light. Because of the light, you can't see what's on the other side of it. And that's all I want, you know. So if I'm up on my patio sunbathing, whatever, you know, guys do, bachelor guys do, you know, sunbathe, whatever I want to do. Be out there naked, you know what I'm saying? Nobody going to look up there or anything. So anyways, folks, thank you for tuning in to Anderson's Review. This is how us bachelor guys live, you know. We like to stay busy, but we don't have family, so we occupy ourselves by doing silly little tasks like this. All right? Everyone, be well out there. Now go enjoy your summer. Now go get your shine box.